What's up, credit family? It's your boy, Mr. Credit Banking, and I am back again with another quick tip video. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to find your Navy Federal Credit Union internal score. Let's get started. First of all, guys, you can only get this score if you apply for credit. If you apply for credit, then in about a week or so, you're going to receive a letter in the mail with this internal score. And the internal score is on the second page. So the letter is very, most people receive the letter and probably just toss it because it doesn't, it doesn't include the card. It comes completely separate from the card that you're going to get. And that letter usually has like what the card number is on the right-hand side, just the last 4 digits. But then there's a header on this letter and it says Navy Federal Credit Union, your credit report and the price you pay for credit. On that letter, on the second page, if you turn it over, because most people never turn it over because it just seems like a bunch of legal mumbo jumbo. On the second page, on the first square that says your Navy Federal Credit Score, is usually you're going to see the actual score right there. Like for me, my score was a 305 when I got approved. So I'm going to show you guys what the actual letter looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it. That's the front of the letter. I'm kind of hiding my personal information. And then on the back of the letter, it looks like this. So you can see there on the top of the letter, it has what my credit score is. And then on that actual letter, it also says, it gives you what the range is. Because I know some of you guys are going to want to know what the range is. Do you have a good or bad score? So on the actual letter, it says that the score range from a low 100 to a high 450. So anyways, that is how you find the internal score. Is on a letter that you're going to receive from Navy Federal after you apply for credit. It's going to come separate from the card. Anyways, that's all I have for today. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Mr. Credit Banking out. Peace.